Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name's Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. Let me get a little glare off of there. Here we go. So I wanted to mention a couple of things. One, I spent some time, oh, I moved it. Here it is. I spent some time working on the hooks and needles, looking through the kit and reading the booklet and so forth. So I wanted to revisit the hooks and needles yarn kit. It says your yarnful dreams begin here, and this is a subscription box. So in this I got 2 skeins of hooks and needles branded yarn, made in Italy. And I was a little disappointed that it's their brand, because I was hoping to get some Portuguese yarn and then see where the yarn, who makes the yarn in Portugal, because I haven't run across any yet, and I'd love to. So I am going to get one more of these subscription boxes, and then I think that'll probably be it for me. But I do think this could be good for a beginner, especially a one-time gift. Give them a chance to see if they like it. It comes with a couple of crochet hooks. It came with a little wood. Oh, here it is. I brought it out after all. I thought I didn't know where to put anything. You should see the piles around here. So I got a little notions thing in there, and it has the bulb style stitch markers. And then there is also a needle, which I took out and left in the house. A 3-pack of darning needles, really nice ones with little caps on the ends of the needles so you don't get poked. And the 2 crochet hooks, the 2 skeins of yarn, and this booklet, which has very, very detailed instructions. So I was looking through it, and they tell their story in the book. They tell you what's inside your first box, how to read and understand crochet charts, introducing this month's yarn, introducing this month's pattern, article of the month, why crocheting will make you calm, and the end of the thread, and the crocheting glossary. So there's quite a bit of information in here. Letter from the founder, how to read and understand crochet charts. And then it talks about different terms, talks about the wool, and then it shows the pattern for this ponytail hat, and starts you off making single crochet ribbing. Excuse me. And it's suitable for beginners, advanced beginners. Not being as strictly a beginner, I don't know how hard this pattern would be to do. So, but they use back post single crochet and single crochet alternated to make the brim. And then once you make the brim, and it has little things to show you how to make your first slip knot, how to chain, but the pictures are a little tiny for somebody like me. But then it tells you how to crochet a single crochet stitch, and then a single crochet through the back loop, again with pictures, measuring the brim, attaching it, so completing the circle basically, and then working the hat in the round. And it's a half double crochet. So I'm going to follow their directions and see how they are. I started the brim, and then right away noticed I dropped a stitch. Typical. No stitch marker, right? And yeah, I just need to count every time, make sure I still have 10 stitches. And then it tells you how to finish it off, finishing the top. So they're asking people to share on Instagram and Facebook And then it has a glossary in the back of terms. So this is the first project. So I think anybody who gets this, who starts their subscription, will get the first box, right? The first kit. And then they probably pick up then with whatever they've got available. But I'll know next month if they say you're second. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and stay on this at least one more month. Hoping to get some yarn from Portugal, even if I won't be able to tell who made it. And I just want to compare the first box, the first introduction to them, to ongoing, and see how that, how they stack up to each other. Be interested to see what the second one looks like and what's in it. I mean, would they continue to give you 2 hooks every month? I don't know if that makes sense, but anyway, they gave me enough tools to do my first project, so that's cool. Okay, so that's updated, and then the other thing I needed to update for you, which I gotta find the information. Here it is. Okay, now I got from Herrschners a rug kit for the Westbury rug, and it didn't come with a pattern. I just got the ribbon yarn in the box and no pattern, and so I went back and looked, and there was a downloadable pattern that I needed to download, and so it wasn't like in my purchase. It was a separate pattern that I needed to download, which I did not recognize right off the bat. So this is designed by Lorna Miser. It's called the Westbury Rug. It's a nice little rug. I'm going to make one and hopefully use it in my bathroom. So Lilia yarn, that's exactly what I got, was the Lilia yarn. Okay, I should have got the yarn out. Hang on, field trip again. I'm sorry, I'll probably cut that out. That took so long. So I have 3 of these. Whoops. Willow, Lilia. I have 3 of these, and it says uses 3 balls and a 9mm crochet hook. So we'll see what happens. But I'm excited about that. So there's something I'll be making from ribbon yarn. And yeah, I got so many projects, you guys. It's so fun. Also, I am making filling a tote with prizes to give away during my 1-year Podiversary. So I hope you will come and join me for that. Also, giveaway number 5 should be posted by now, by the time this posts. And please join in that. That is for 700 subscribers, which we attained a few days ago. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't already, I think you should, because 1, we have a lot of good content on this channel. The Royal We, again, I love referring to myself as we. And there is giveaways galore in January because I'm hitting all these milestones. And I decided that this year is going to be a giveaway year. So there will be at least 1 drawing every month for the rest of the year. You can't miss that. You really can't. So some of it will be handmade items. Some of it will be stuff to make stuff. And whatever tickles my fancy each particular month. So I hope that you will continue to join us and that you enjoy the channel as much as I do, because I do enjoy this, and I enjoy talking with you guys, and I'm looking forward to whatever's on the next video. So, talk to you later. Bye.